What is up, everybody? Today I am playing Big Paintball, a game by Big Games. And so, yeah. Let's see. So, I guess we're gonna do Cyber City as our map. I have a bunch of cool weapons to use. Oh my god, I forgot you can't leave the base yet. I like the thing that you have to wait for a match if someone wants to like customize their guns or something. Alright, coming up the wall. Okay, let's see. Anybody here? No, I don't think anybody is here. Oh, person. Darn it, I missed. I'm silly. Oh my god, I can't believe I did that. Okay, bam. One more and then we can get a drone. Alright, let's see. Bam. And bam. Drone. Sentry. Why won't it let me place my sentry? Boom. I don't like this minigun right now. It's annoying. Oh, there's a person right there. Person right there. There's a lot of people everywhere. Let's hop down. Now this might be a big mistake, but I'm doing it anyway. Okay, well, our team is doing really well right now. I'm doing really well right now. Let's see here. We're just gonna move up right here. Camp it. I am on fire until that happened. Alright, so I was on fire. Jeez. Darn it! How did I can't believe I just died there. We are gonna get this nuke. Dang it. I can't believe I'm not doing well anymore. I think my sentries are getting broken. I need to replace them, I think. Bam, there's the nuke. Holy moly, I have sentries. I don't think I can place any more sentries. Yeah. Let's see here. Bam, bam. Alright, let's see here. Alexa, stop! Sorry about that. Anyway. Alright, oh my god. Just go already. This is so fun, because we're doing so well. I'm doing so well. Be more specific with this. I'm doing really well. 150. Alexa, stop. Can't have music playing because it's probably copyrighted. No. Oh my god, this is absolute madness what's going on right now. This is crazy. This is crazy. Okay, I'm back, guys. Let's see here. Oh no! That's not good. That's really bad that I just, no! I didn't see that person! Darn it. Go. Bye-bye. Don't come back to my base. I do not want you at my base. Stay back. What? Oh my god, this game. Bam. Shoot. Alexa, stop. That was the quickest sentry takeout I've ever seen. I'm being 100% honest. Why can't I hit anyone anymore? What is this? Okay. No! Darn it. Oh! Boy, that sentry scared me. Oh man, someone else got a nuke. Dang it. That means all our sentries are gone. didn't get that sentry down in time. Oh, sentry! I didn't see the sentry! No! Well, also one of my sentries got taken out. Dang it. One of them's working really well, though. Ooh. Okay, nuke. I should have waited till I was closer to do it, but it is what it is. Let me make sure I have my drone out. What? Things glitching out. And that's annoying. Alright. That's weird. Well, thanks for watching this incredible Fortnite, or not, thanks for watching this incredible match. Bye-bye.